Well, howdy, folks. This is old Henry here, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys here today how to remove wax from a table. Last night, me and my wife got a little bit rough. What can I say? I knocked over the candle, and I had a big old spill here on the table. So as you can see, very sticky wax on the table, and simple way to remove it is by this genius way I just came up with. So basically, I got some old material here from old pantyhose I had to rip off me wife the one night. But I got them there, and you gotta just stick them up on there, eh? Pretty simple and easy. But you can use any material you can find. And this is just a simple demonstration of how to do it. Simple as can be. Just stick it on and stick it on, eh? Simple. And then I've got the old iron here. Bought this for 20 bucks on eBay. Not a bad deal, but as you can see, it's flaming hot. It's shooting out water. Basically, you just want to take the iron and keep it on there, but you don't want to burn the table, eh? And as you can see, the wax just started melting into the cloth, eh? So what you want to do is you want to wait, give it a few seconds, wait for it to dry, wait for that material to fuse into the wax. Pretty simple. This is the first time I'm trying it, so I better thought I should make it on the old video because it might be revolutionary here, guys. I could just imagine of the amount of people that have struggled with this problem, scraping and pulling and scratching and scraping and pulling. I'm sure it just never stopped. But yeah, it's not cold right now, so we'll have to wait a few more moments. And I have to do all the rest, but as you can see, I got a big piece of cloth there. So at the end of the day, I'll just put that whole thing on there and iron the shit out of it. Then I'm gonna rip her off. But this is kind of like the same concept of getting those legs waxed, eh? You just put a little bit of wax and some stuff on there. You need some air, and then you just fucking rip it off, and voila, that's all you need. So let's see what we got going here, guys. Let's see. Just doing it slowly, eh? You know, it's not working that well, but I think it might be because it's still a little bit too hot, they say, eh? But as you can see, it worked a little bit. It didn't take off everything, but it did take off some of it. But yeah, I think I'm very impatient at this moment, you know. Fuck it, I'm just gonna burn it off with the iron. I think that's the easiest way to do it, eh? That's all you have to do, is take the iron straight on the table, say fuck it, burn it, and call it good. Well, thank you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. Sorry guys, I'm back. You know, that wasn't the smartest way to do it, but I figured this out now. So just go on there, you go straight onto the table. You know, we're on wood. If you have a plastic table, throw away that shit and buy yourself a good old wooden table. But anyways, as you can see, we are just melting off the wax. Slowly melting it. Just like a candle. Slowly. But this is a good way to wax your table anyways, eh? Don't you think? And then I just got some old good cloth, and then you, voila. As good as new. It's a little shine to it, but it's good as new. And your iron is now full of wax, so you'll have to clean that too, eh? Alright guys, I hope I could have helped thousands of you.